This is just a quick video to demonstrate some of the functionality of Production Assistant being linked with Cabinet Vision. On the screen we've got three shape components that we've just gone and shaped. So again, 16mm component. You can sort of see that the part name, the width, the length, and the thickness, and material associated with it. And we've just gone through and just applied some shapes, some radiuses to this. Now this could be quite simply a countertop. It doesn't really matter which material is used. Typically this would then be nested and optimized and output to production. And the moment that that happens, we would then output this particular file by this webcam output. So then what would typically happen here is that once we're coming into Production Assistant, we would have it so it automatically imports the order as they are exported. And in this case, it could be this particular job we've just output as test. And you can see that there's three components: naming convention, width, height, and depth. And then if we were to scan a barcode, what would typically happen is the barcode will bring open this window. It would change the status to be on the station that is interacting with it, which would then change that to be on the assembly station if we're in that particular view. And again, if there was any other components associated with this, then they would be displayed here. But quite simply, it's just to demonstrate that what we had in Cabinet Vision is coming through like for like. If we were to go and have a look at something like another job, another example job that's in production at the moment, if we were to click on something like a base one door or base drawer unit, in this case you can see that there's a list of components, list of materials, list of status where componentry is up to, what hardware is associated with it, and also possible to interact with the object. So again, you can move it around, you can go and look at your right views, you can zoom in, zoom out. But yeah, most will just have it as an isometric view, have the screen a little bit wider so that they're getting a bit more of a viewpoint of the object rather than the materials as such. But in the event that a part or a material is damaged, they can either scan the barcode or mark that as damaged if they wish, and then have different reasons for what that might be, which would then send a trigger back to generally the office to reaction that rework. But yeah, just a quick little walkthrough of that process. Thank you.